Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Instagram account to latest version. So if you also want to update Instagram account to latest version, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is clear the cache of Instagram application. After that, you'll have to update the Instagram application. For that, first of all, open settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. What you have to do is find the option for storage. Once you find the option for storage, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the storage interface. Over here you'll be able to see the information regarding your storage. What you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find the option for apps, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app storage interface. You'll be able to see various applications over here. Find the application for Instagram. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. Now your cache has been cleared. Now what you have to do is update the Instagram application. For that, what you have to do is launch upon Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Instagram. Now over here you'll be able to find the application for Instagram. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and update. If your application is already updated, instead of update option you'll be able to find the option for open. But if you find the update option over here, simply tap on it. Now wait for the application to be updated. Now you can see over here Instagram application has been updated. Now it will auto update the Instagram account. So that is how you update Instagram account to latest version. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.